my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law and issues related to the family, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about family issues as it relates to the upcoming holiday. We have July 4th coming up. And July 4th has a lot of interesting aspects to it and a lot of different customs in celebrating July 4th. Some of those customs involve fireworks and pyrotechnics and other things like that. And every now and then, unfortunately, there are injuries that come about as a result of fireworks and firework usage. The question then becomes, if somebody is injured from a fireworks accident, is there compensation for that? And the answer is you've got to look at a firework accident as the same as any other accident. In other words, if you sustain an injury, not your fault, as a result of somebody else's deed or misdeed, and it involves fireworks, you're still entitled to compensation for your pain and suffering, fright and anguish, mental distress, a permanent disfigurement, wage loss, a reimbursement of your expenses. All of these things, just like any other accident, are compensable in the fireworks environment. Which means if somebody discharges a firework. I had a case not long ago where somebody lit a firework and they thought it was a dud because it didn't fire. And then they came over and they tapped it a little, and guess what? It fired, and it shot horizontal across and discharged right near somebody who sustained severe injury. That's a clear-cut case of negligence on the part of the guy who decided to tap the firework. There's all sorts of things that he could have or should have done to prevent that injury, and he failed to safeguard the other people who might have been in harm's way, failed to think about what he should be doing and stop himself saying, you know what, if I do this, if I tap this thing, if I take some action, is it possible that people around me might get hurt? Because if it is, maybe I shouldn't do that, or maybe I should call someone with more experience. That was the misgiving there. That's what he did wrong there. My point is, in a case like that, there is someone who's responsible for it. There's typically insurance, by the way, to cover it. It's usually covered by homeowners. So it's a compensable item for which there usually is some fund to pay for your compensation and your pain and suffering, etc. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.